Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I'm a little bit sick right now, but I wanted to come on and make a quick vlog style video because I'm trying out some new things, like lifestyle kind of things, I guess. Well, I guess more like lifestyle changes that I thought some of you out there might be interested in. So for me personally, I feel like it's never too late to try new things. Like, it's not something that I do like at the beginning of the year, like setting goals and all that kind of stuff. So I just kind of felt like inspired recently to think about what I want to do for the second half of 2019. I mean, right now it's like the very end of May. And by the way, I did just make my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, so I think that's pretty cool. Looking back, you know, it's been a really fun experience so far. I've been able to learn a lot about the video editing process and filming and lighting and stuff like that. Obviously, I'm not a pro at it or anything like that, but it's just been really fun. I did learn that I like editing videos and kind of like putting some music in there and stuff like that, learning about like different transitions. So that's been really cool, and I definitely think that this is a way that I've been getting outside of the box and being more creative, because that's something that I felt like I wasn't really getting a lot of in my like everyday life. So I do think that there's definitely some great benefits there. Like I said, I am a little bit sick, so my voice might kind of like come in and out, and I'll probably be clearing my throat periodically. So if I'm editing stuff, that's probably what's going on. But some other things that I'm trying to make changes to is I'm trying to cut down on watching YouTube videos and Netflix a little bit. I honestly spend a lot of time doing that, like a couple of hours a day, and instead I feel like ways that I could better myself. I mean, there's definitely a lot of great like educational content on both of those platforms, but I feel like to change it up a little bit, I could start listening to like podcasts and stuff. So those are things that I've been finding, and if any of you out there listen to podcasts, let me know some of your favorites down below, because I'm definitely searching for some more like new things to listen to. Also, I've been trying to read a little bit more, so I have picked up a couple of books. These are all like nonfiction stuff, probably things that a lot of you guys out there would think maybe is a little bit boring, but right now I'm feeling like it's kind of interesting. It's kind of like professional development, leadership, like that kind of stuff, some things that I'm trying to work on, you know, career-wise and stuff like that. Another thing that I'm working on is taking better care of myself. So I wouldn't consider myself like an unhealthy person or anything like that, but I definitely think that there's work that I can do. I always think there's room for improvement. So some things that I've been working on is more fitness related, and I'm definitely not trying to turn my channel into like a fitness channel or anything like that. I don't think I'm an expert by any means on that topic, but I do think that a lot of people are interested in fitness, and I think that it's important for others to like hear about your story and your journey with fitness. So I do think I'm going to be incorporating a little bit of that into my channel as well. So if you're interested in any of that kind of content, let me know by you know, liking this video. I think that's an easy way for me to tell, because I do want to check in periodically just to kind of tell you guys about how it's going. Because for me, like, if you were to just look at me, like, to give you some reference, I'm like 5'3" and I'm a little over 100 pounds. You know, by no means am I feeling like I need to lose weight or anything like that, but I am very weak. Like, I have a hard time opening jars or doing like normal people stuff that like I just can't do because I'm really weak. And those are things that I want to work on, and I feel like that's important to me. So I did hire a personal trainer, so I'm going to be doing some workouts, and I think it's, you know, important to share that there is some struggle. Even though you look healthy and like you eat relatively healthy and stuff like that, there's still work that I can do, you know. I mean, I definitely don't see myself doing anything crazy, and that's something that I told my personal trainer. I'm like, I'm not trying to like run a marathon or like enter some kind of contest or anything like that. I just want to be like generally healthy and able to do like regular stuff that I feel like I struggle with now. Be a little bit more active and not like totally lose my breath when I'm going on a pretty easy hike or anything like that. You know, I want to be able to enjoy that kind of stuff a little bit more, and I think training and more exercise will definitely help me get there. But anyways, I just wanted to film this quick video just to let you guys know that that might be some content that I'm incorporating into this channel, and you know, let me know if that's something you're interested in. And if you do want to follow along on my journey, feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you can see new videos as I'm posting them. But thanks so much for watching this really quick little video to kind of celebrate my like 1-year YouTube anniversary. I think I'm going to go ahead and list a few of my most viewed videos so far down below in the comments. So if you want to see any of those, go ahead and check them out. Most of them are like fashion, high-end fashion kind of related. But yeah, if that's of interest to you, check out the comment box down below. Hopefully next time I film a video, I'll have my voice back 100%. Still working on that, coughing like crazy. But thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.